So in lesson 12, we are going to learn the divisions of whole numbers and decimals. So let's get started with getting ready. So it says right here, can you give the quotient of the numbers below? So what was the quotient, by the way? Let's review the terminologies. So 810 divided by 12. Let's say there's we have to do this kind of division, and this was called dividend, right? Dividend, and this one was called divisor. This is the one that you divide by, and the answer that you will get here, some number right here, that's called quotient, right? That's called quotient. And like through all kinds of calculations right here, and then the leftover that you get right here, some number, that's called remainder, right? So now we have reviewed about the things here, terminologies. So let's find out the quotient. So number 1, 9 is divided into 810. Let's see. How many 9s can you put into 81? Well, you know it's 9 times 9, right? 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 minus 81 is 0, and you bring down 0 from the top to continue the division. And since you can't put 0 into 0, I mean 9 into 0, so you put 0 up there, and the remainder that you get is 0. And the quotient right here, that's the quotient that you get is 90. That's quotient. Okay. So let's practice another question. Maybe number 7. Number 7. 720 divided by 24. Let's see, how many 24s can you put into 72? Let's do the multiplication. 24 times 2, that's 48. And 24 times 3, that's 72. So 3 goes in there. So 3 times 24, that was 72. And if you minus 72 from 72, that's 0. And again, you can't put 24 to 0, right? So you have to put 0 up there. So the answer you get for the quotient in this calculation is 30. So 30 is the quotient. Let's try the last question with the decimals. So number 12. Let's try that. 0.06 is divided into 2,400. How are we gonna do that? We have the decimal points here. As I told you in the previous lesson, if you have the decimal points in the divisor, you move the decimal places to the right, and if you do that, then you have to move the decimal places for the dividends too. So since you move 2 places there, you move 2 places there too, right? So you rewrite it like this. 6 is divided into 2, 4, 0, 0, and then 2 zeros are made, right? So it becomes like this. So now you do the division. How many 6 can you put into 24? 4 times, right? So 4 times 6 is 24, and as you see, it's going to be all zeros down here, so you just put zeros. Okay, that's how you do the division. And the thing that I did here was that you have to make the divisor a whole number. That's why I moved the decimal places to place it to the right. Okay, so now let's move on to let's discuss.